China just leaped into the future. Imagine flying taxis. China has issued permits for flying drone taxis. Let's explore the features of these drone taxis. Equipped with an electric motor and 16 propellers, they have a 2-seater capacity for urban travel. Leading the charge are EHang Holdings and Hefei Airlines. Their drones reach speeds of 100 kilometers per hour and fly up to 3,000 meters high. Why now? China's Civil Aviation Administration just approved it. Here's a map highlighting Chinese cities where this service begins. China sees flying taxis as part of a booming low-altitude economy. Safety and air traffic management are top priorities. Will drone taxis become a global trend? The future of urban transport might take flight. In this chapter, we will explore the potential future developments in drone taxi technology and how it could revolutionize urban transport. Imagine a world where drone taxis are as common as traditional taxis today. Future iterations might include larger capacity drones for multiple passengers or small cargo. Solar-powered drones could make this mode of transport environmentally friendly. Imagine booking a drone taxi through an app and soaring above the cityscape. The potential for drone taxis to revolutionize urban transport is immense. Let's take a closer look at the environmental impact of drone taxis. One significant advantage of drone taxis is their potential to reduce carbon emissions. Traditional cars running on fossil fuels contribute to urban air pollution. In contrast, many drone taxis are electric, relying on batteries. As the grid becomes greener, the environmental footprint of drone taxis will shrink. Moreover, drone taxis can alleviate traffic congestion. By taking to the skies, they bypass congested roads, leading to smoother travel. Another exciting prospect is solar-powered drones, harnessing the sun's power. This provides a clean, renewable energy source, further reducing their impact. Stay tuned as we explore more facets of this revolutionary technology in our upcoming videos. Subscribe or follow us for the latest technology updates.